never been more excited to introduce you to Handex Vacuum Solutions.
My name is Scott Johnson. I am superintendent of the vacuum truck program in Orlando, Florida. Preventative maintenance is key when you need to keep up your system, and when something does go wrong, the equipment here is able to jet sewer lines, grease traps, lift stations, wastewater removal, break up drain cloggage. When you have to remove grease from an old trap or things go bad, we're able to remove solids and liquids, be able to diagnose issues.